Hi again, all my crafty friends. If you are new here, I'm Dawn, and you have found Designs by Gaddis. If you enjoy DIYs, flips, and everything farmhouse, you are in the right place. On my channel, I love bringing you fun, simple, and affordable home decor DIYs on a budget. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you like what you see, hit the bell notification and leave me a comment. Now for our first DIY. This DIY project was inspired by a post I saw on Unicorn Dust Designs Facebook page by Mary Lagana. I saw it and just had to recreate it for my home. I used 4 Dollar Tree wood blocks, some 25 and 20 millimeter beads from Amazon, and some jute twine. And I left everything in the natural color. I found the center of each block by using a ruler and drawing an X on the top. My center point will be where the X's cross. After I had all 4 of my blocks marked, I drilled a hole using a large drill bit into all 4 of them. I made sure the hole was large enough so that I could get the twine to go through it. I wrapped a small piece of painter's tape around the end of the twine to keep it from fraying and to make it easier to slip through the blocks and the beads, and began stringing everything together. To start with, the pattern I used was a block, a 20 millimeter bead, a 25 millimeter bead, and then another 20 millimeter bead, and then I repeated these steps until I was at the end. I decided I wanted to have the beads on the outside of the garland, so I cut enough twine from the beginning of the garland to place 3 more beads. I printed out the word home using my Cricut and applied the vinyl to each of the blocks. I'll leave a link to the cut file if you have a Cricut and want to try this project for your home. I created tassels for both ends of the garland by wrapping twine around a piece of wood several times, tying the end of the garland through the center of the tassel, and wrapping the twine around the top of the tassel. I used hot glue to hold this part together. I then used a lighter to burn some of the fuzzies, I guess that's what you'd call them, away, and to give the tassel a darker, more rustic look. I wrapped some of the twine around the top of the string here and secured it with hot glue. To make sure the tassels were close to the same length, I held them together and trimmed them up. I think this garland turned out amazing, and it looks so high-end. You would have thought you would have got it from a store. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. Until next time, happy crafting!